See, Robin? Ugly looking sucker.
Ah, fucker.
Oh, got one. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my God, I foul hook a sea robin.
That's a big one. Okay, you guys ready? I'm gonna go back now.
Oh my God, this guy's hooked up in all different places. Oh, the camera, Dad. What's that you got right there, huh? Sea bass.
Never ever pull the fish out of the water like that, alright? Cool. Very cool. Big fucking sea bass, man.
Wobbler.
Robin?
It's a wobbler.
A sea robin or a small fluke? Hey.
Bass.
Bass, sea bass. Again? Getting the net? Let's get the net. I like to get a picture of that one. Yeah, okay.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Keep it there, Keith. I got it. I'm just reeling it.
I got video of it too.
Oh, you got a video of it?
Yeah.
Can you like take a shot of that and then
Yeah, I can send you a little bit of the screenshot. Yeah.
you can do a screenshot?
Yeah, and I'll send you a picture of my phone.
Alright.
That's a nice bass though.
I'm not worried about it, Jeff. Don't worry about it. Hey, that's a nice fucking sea bass, bud. You got another ship fish.
Don't bother.
Sea robin?
Yeah.
Your striking goes like.
I'm just happy I'm catching fish, man. I know it's not the fish that I want, but what you got? Keep reeling. And that's a fluke.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice job. You gotta get a Polaroid of that.
First fluke.
Take a picture.
Oh my God, look at this sea bass.
Look at the size of sea bass, Keith. Fuck, that duck, that's a big sea bass.
Alright, you deal with this
Hey.
guy.
Yeah.
Deal with this guy.
Yeah, go help Kate. I got a big sea bass here. I don't know what I got, but this is a nice fucking fish, bro.
Keep reeling.
What do you got?
I don't know, but he's fighting him like hell.
I bet you a sea bass. Yeah, what do you got? Fuck.
Monstrosity. Look at that guy.
Holy shit. Sea bass?
Yeah, look at this guy.
Holy fucking shit. Look at this, Keith.
Look at this guy.
We gotta get pictures of both of these here. Holy fuck. Of course, and they're not in season. Hey, Justin, can you get your camera ready?
Yep.
Wow.
Go. Grab it.
All right, man. Ready?
One,
At the same fucking time.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna try to take another one.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Now my turn. You guys,
Here,
I want a
put the
good
thing
picture.
Alright.
Right here. Here, Dad. Just
okay.
grab it on this guy. Right here. Okay, here. It's already in picture mode.
Ready? Hold him. Got the other one?
I got him.
Watch the hook at your feet. Watch the hook.
I got it, Dad.
Okay, you
Don't
ready?
worry.
You ready?
All right, release these guys.
Yeah. Holy fuck, buddy.